we need to mix the cocoa blend and the flour together. With me doing it. The whole thing.
Yeah.
It's all in. And get every single thing, kids. Every single thing. Oops, something on the table. But it's okay. Oh, yeah. Take the caster sugar and pour it in as well. The whole thing. Oh, right? The whole thing. Is it the whole thing? Yeah, the whole thing. Now, what's next? Good mix. Make sure you mix it for 3 minutes, and that should do.
Yay!
Get all the side parts as well.
Ashley's turn.
I'll mix the rest. Look, Ashley makes it that better. I know, I'll get everything. Now it's looking nice. Now it's looking. It looks nice, Mom.
Perfect.
Yay!
This looks delicious. Oh, yummy, Mom.
Does it look yummy?
It kind of don't look yummy, but it smells so good. I'll tell you that the egg is not there anymore. I'm feeling it all. I just taste this. See how much cupcake it can make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a lot of cupcakes, isn't it?
Yay!
For the mixer. In the oven. In there. Oh. In the oven now.
What to do now? Let's play!
And we all fall down. Some exercises.
Let's dance!
Now guys, pouring the icing so we can make it into the bowl. It's really flamey, isn't it? It's flamey now. Get the whole thing done. And by the way, if you were wondering about the cakes, they're right here. Now time for some sprinkles!
Yay!